Assalamu alaikum playgroup class. Hope so you all are fine. Today our topic is recognition. My clothes. Playgroup class. Today we will learn about clothes. First of all, watch on screen. What are you watching? Students, there are some different clothes. Let's recognize them. The first one is shorts. What is this? Shorts. The next one is t-shirt. What is this? T-shirt. The third one is shirt. What is this? Shirt. The next one is trousers. What is this? Trousers. The next one is shoes. What is this? Shoes. The next one is glasses. What is this? Glasses. The next one is hat. What is this? Hat. The last one is skirt. What is this? Skirt. Okay, playgroup class, read with me. Shorts, shorts, t-shirt, t-shirt, shirt, shirt, trousers, trousers, shoes, shoes, glasses, glasses, hat, hat, skirt, skirt. Okay students, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it. Goodbye students.